Pretty sure that's not love. I love it.
Oh,
Dog understands the sign pretty quick. Isn't their first time for sure.
Sit. Paw. Paw. Honey. Yes. Good job.
Note this insight, marketers. Turns out cats actually prefer dog-sized beds. One bite for me, one bite for you. That's how strong bonds are built. When you're a master at something, it's time to pass down the knowledge.
You're trying to avoid.
Both want some hugs, but, well, the line is already decided.
Come on, Rem. Come on. Jump over. Come on. Come on. Come on, Rem. Jump. Come on.
Even when it's bedtime, there's a reason why dog can't sleep yet. The truth is, dogs never turn down cat cuddles. They're addicted. Okay, my friend, I'm exhausted. You understand, yeah? Good boy. For dogs, getting a cat's attention is the happiest thing ever. Even the criminal world has its respected leaders, like this one.
Shake. Shake. Big. Big. High five. High five.
Feels like a proud dad moment. And yeah, dog is loving every second of it. That smile says he's totally into it. All those muscles, yet he still can't hide his nervousness. Whether dog likes it or not, this isn't really his decision. He may be small, but that big boss blood is still running strong. Come on. Nope, not a taxi, just a private chauffeur, unpaid.
Come on, get active. Everybody get active, because I'm getting active too. I'm getting active too.
Oh, roll.
Ooh.
Okay, that's it.
When your homie's about to go on a date, and you're the one with experience.
Come here. Come on, you're a big boy. You can't even look.
Taming a dog is never easy, but have cats ever really given up? Funny how the smaller they are, the bolder they get. A dog and a cat getting along feels like a shooting star wish. Sometimes, being the senior does make cats much more responsible.
I think it's
trip just like the Texas trip. I don't know who this girl is. We don't know if it's a gang still.
Feels like a noble offering gifts to the crown. Well, that's what being the big brother is about, loving your little one without limits.
Kiara, be nice.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.